Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this updated guide, Play MP3 on Android, we'll show you a simple and easy way to find and listen to your MP3 files right on your phone. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Music app. You can usually find it either on your home screen or inside the app's drawer, depending on how your phone is set up. Step 2. In the app menu, you'll see several options like Favorites, Playlists, Albums, and more. Scroll through the list and find the Tracks option, then tap on it. This section shows all your available songs listed separately. Step 3. Now, scroll through and find the MP3 file you want to play. Once you see it, just tap on the song and it will start playing automatically. You can also pause, play, or skip using the controls shown on the screen. Step 4. If your phone doesn't have a music app or it's missing, no worries. Just go back and open your File Manager app. Most Android phones come with one pre-installed. Step 5. Inside the File Manager, scroll and look for a folder or section named Audio Files or Music. Tap on it, and you should see all your MP3 files stored on the device. If you find the file you want, just tap on it, and your phone will use the default player to start playback. Step 6. Still can't find your music or don't see a file app? No problem. You can install any free music player app from the Play Store. Just search for MP3 player or music player. Download one with good ratings, and use that to browse and play your audio files. And that's it! With this updated guide, Play MP3 on Android, you can easily listen to your favorite tracks without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.